Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today, I will show you how to make egg noodles for ramen. Do you like ramen? How often do you eat ramen? It's not so difficult to make egg noodles. We just use a few ingredients. But I recommend to use the pasta machine. Like today, I use this. This is actually the machine to make pasta for Italian food. And as always, my friendly family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as a helper. So during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Are you ready to make egg noodles for ramen from scratch? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Egg noodles for ramen is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. So I prepared the soy sauce ramen broth. We didn't use kansui, but this noodles still has a sticky texture. I can just eat ramen with soy sauce based broth and noodles. So simple, but so yummy. Ramen makes my body warm. It might go well with tonkotsu ramen soup too. I ate all of them. ごちそうさまでした. So here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: when you mix baking soda and warm water, please make sure it has bubbles on the surface. Tip: when you put the ingredients all together, and even if the dough is shattered, I recommend to knead the dough more. Tip: the more you knead the dough, the more the elastic it will be. Those are the tips and recommendations of egg noodles making. How was today's recipe video? I hope this video motivates you to make ramen from scratch. And if you're interested in learning soy sauce ramen broth and also miso ramen and tonkotsu ramen or vegetarian ramen, I hold online cooking classes as well. I will coordinate the date and time whenever you live. To contact me, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. I'm looking forward to teaching you various ramen soups. Before watching another videos, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't, please subscribe my channel. I introduce easy, simple, yummy Japanese recipes, including baby food and kids meals, and also desserts. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi! Luigi! We will see you next time. Bye bye! Enjoy ramen!